Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to demonstrate how to crochet this lovely stitch, the berry stitch. I'm not feeling well today because my Toptop, my pet, my daughter, she passed away on Saturday morning, May the 5th, and I'm having a hard time going through this past week, and so today's my best day, so I said let me do a tutorial because I haven't been feeling well. I've been crying a lot every day, and it's been difficult. And plus, a friend's husband passed away yesterday. There was a funeral I attended, and I was very, very, very emotional yesterday. But I just wanted to let you guys know my Toptop is gone. She died in my hands at home. She was 12.5 years old. I will put the video that I made before she passed away. She was very, very good dog. Behaved, clean, very respectful, shy. So I'm having a difficult time. And again, this is my best time. Today's Friday. And I just had to do this tutorial. I couldn't crochet as much as I can because I haven't been knitting or crocheting this past 5 days. It's been just killing me because she was always on my side for 12.5 years. We got her when she was 6 weeks old, a puppy. She grew with me. Actually, it was my son's dog ended up with me. Anyways, here's the berry stitch. I just wanted to share because I have so many tutorials to make, and I hope you like this tutorial. All you need to do is chain even numbers. On this I did 40 chain, and the first row is a single crochet. So let's get started. Just grab one of my cotton yarns that I have from my stash, and I love the white. I end up selling these on my Etsy shop because I have so many that I have been doing tutorials. They've been adding up. I'm laughing today. I'm crying. I'm way better than yesterday, especially Saturday was my worst day of all. I just wanted to share that she's gone, and I will post a couple of pictures with me. So let's get started. To start, I have chain total of 40 chains, and I am going to single crochet all the way, just like this. Single crochet all the way, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I did my last single crochet, and I am turning my work, and on the first chain I'm going to do a slip stitch, just like this. I'm going to pull this all at once. Okay, and on the next chain I'm going to do the berry stitch. Yarn over as you do a double crochet, pull one, and leave the remaining, yarn over again. Now you should have a total of 5 loops here, and then we pull all these at once, just like this. Okay, this is how we create the berry stitch, and the next one we're going to do a slip stitch. Don't do a single crochet, do a slip stitch. Just like this, pull it at once. This way we are creating the hill and the valley. On the next stitch, we're going to do another berry stitch, yarn over, as we're doing a double crochet, pull one loop, leave the remaining 3, and then yarn over again, and then just like this you will have 5 loops and pull all at once. And this is all to it. And the next one is a slip stitch, and when you turn your work, this is how you see the berry. I'm calling these a strawberry. And you just repeat this all the way to the end, just like this. Pull one, leave the 3, yarn over again, and then you will have 5 and pull at once. And the next one, the trick to the next stitch is a slip stitch, not a single crochet, a slip stitch. That makes it tight and it pulls it, and it gives you that 3D, that bump look. Okay, so continue crocheting like this all the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end. I have done my last berry stitch, and the following is going to be a slip stitch, just like this. So grab it and then pull it at once and chain 1, turn our work. Okay, this is going to be the right side of the work, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we chained 40. Always chain even numbers, and then well, you just chain as long as you want. I try to make the biggest dishcloth. 9 inches is my goal. I haven't measured this yet, but I will measure it at the end. And what I did is I did a single crochet, and then so this is the second row. We did the berry stitch, and now on the third row we're going to do the even number. So to do that, we're going to, on the first chain, we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, on top of the berry stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch, just like this. Pull it at once. We're going to be creating, we're making the foundation for the fourth row. When we're going to do the berries, we're going to off them around. So the berry stitch would be on top of this slip stitch. So we're creating that foundation. So the next chain is going to be a single crochet, and on top of the berry stitch is going to be a slip stitch. So single crochet, slip stitch. And I am sure you know what the difference is between single crochet and slip stitch. Single crochet is you go yarn over and then you pull. Slip stitch is you don't do that, you just pull it at once. Okay, so continue crocheting like this. 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, and slip stitch goes on top of the berry, just to let you know if you get confused. And the single crochet goes in the middle between the berry, just like this. Single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm almost done. The third row I did my slip stitch, and the last chain is going to be a single crochet. It's a little bit tight to go in there, but try to go in there. I will show you a trick. What I do is, if I have that trouble, I grab my smaller crochet hook and I just go between, because sometimes this happens. So don't get frustrated. Just grab one of your smaller crochet hooks that will go between, just like this, and do a single crochet. And you save the world. No frustration. And then we chain 1. Okay, so what we did is we're going to be doing the berry row now. So the first one we're going to do, remember we did a single crochet, we did a slip stitch. We're doing the opposite. So we're moving the berries around, and then we're starting the berry stitch on the single crochet, a slip stitch that we did, just like this. So pull one loop, 3, and then loop, yarn over, loop again, and then you'll have 5 and pull it at once. And then you just repeat, and then the next one is going to be a slip stitch, just like this. And this is all to it. How easy this stitch is. 3, yarn over, 5 loops, and then pull it once, and then do a slip stitch, just like this. Yarn over, pull 1, leave the 3, yarn over, 5, and pull it once, and then the next is a slip stitch. So continue crocheting like this all the way to the end, and this is how it will look like so far. Doesn't this look nice? Tiny strawberries on my dishcloth. So continue crocheting and I'll meet you at the end. And I'm sure that at the end, remember we finished with a slip stitch. This time we're going to finish with a berry stitch. The berry, we're going to make the berry the last chain. Just like that. So I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I'm at the last crocheting the berry, and this was the last berry on the 4th row. So I chain 1, I turn my work, and I do a single crochet, and then I do a slip stitch top of the berry. I do a single crochet, I do a slip stitch. So just crocheting like this, slip stitch, single crochet, alternating each stitch, single crochet. See, I did 2 single crochets. So be very cautious with this because one has to be lower than the other one so we can create this lovely stitch. Just wanted to point that out. So the valley is the single crochet and the slip stitch is the hill. See, and I did another single crochet. Yeah, or else it won't look good. Slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, just like this. And this is the 4th row, and this is how you crochet this lovely stitch. You just repeat these 5 rows. You chain as long as you want, even numbers, and then you do single crochet, or you can do the foundation chainless. I wanted to show you because I like doing the foundation. This time I wanted to show you because well, this isn't bad because I chained, oops, it's hard to show. Okay, this is how it looks like, and I'm using cotton yarn, worsted cotton yarn, and yeah, this is about 9 inches long. So perfect. I've been crocheting for so many years, right? So I figured out 40 chain the way I crochet. 40 chain is about 9 inches long. And plus when you do the border it gets a little bit bigger. So perfect for a dishcloth size, I believe. So continue crocheting, alternative changing by single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, and slip stitch goes on top of the valley, on top of the berry, and then single crochet goes on the valley, just like this. This is all to it. And I hope you like this tutorial. It's a very short tutorial. I had a very difficult week, and today I felt better. Today's Friday, so I just wanted to share you and keep me busy. Please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting. See, I did another single. Yeah, be very careful. 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch. You get used to it and you get confused. Have a great day.